Beautiful. So in this session, guys, I was lucky enough to predict this beautiful uptrend. Yeah, we will see some cases when the market goes a little bit down and then it will go up a little bit. So first, we start with the sell position. Of course, you can see that following my strategy, the next candle, it will be a sell, it will be red, so the market will go a little bit down and then it will start going up back again. So yeah, I hope this trade is gonna be a win. So I already made few or couple of trades where I won. I'm trading, as you can see, on Euro USD OTC. Usually in my course, I don't advise you to trade OTCs, but in this case, I'm trading it because I was lucky enough to, as I said, to find this beautiful trading session. So for those who already know, this strategy is explained in my course, and those who are interested in learning the strategy, I welcome you and I encourage you to take the course. The link is in the description below, or you can go directly to learnthestrategy.com. There you can find the course where you can learn the strategy. The strategy uses like maximum four indicators. I don't advise you to use moving average, even though it's a good indicator. But for me, when I'm trading a short-term trades, I'm not using moving average. So as you can see, yeah. So the first win, $1,200. Now from this point, I guess the market will try to correct and go back, or the buyers will try to push the market up again. And so as you can see, using the 5-second candles chart, we see that the market was trying to go up and then suddenly a downtrend was created in the form of the last red candle. So let's go up. So this one is higher. As you can see, I'm investing $1,500, $1,500. And yeah, the market, don't worry, the market will go a little bit here down. Yeah, a red candle is being created, but the next candle, trust me, will correct. If not, this one, yeah, I guess this one will try to correct the market. So the next one is 100% is going to be a green candle, because the buyers are already reaching the lower band from the Bollinger Band. And yeah, so as I was saying, my strategy is using four indicators: parabolic SAR, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and MACD. All right. I'm using MACD just to understand which direction is the market taking. And so as you can see, a green candle moving to the middle band from the Bollinger Band. Yeah, a green candle. I guess this one is going to be a win. I guess it's a win. Give it, 100% it's going to be, even though the market is on a downtrend, as you can see from the MACD, I believe that we still have another buy position. So let me check this one. So let's check. Yeah, as I said, the overall trend is a downward trend. And this one, so it's clear. See, it was a clear uptrend. Market moved all the way up. So let's go open another uptrend, another high position or a open position, and let's just wait for it. I guess it's clear. For those who know my strategy, this one is clear, is 100% clear that it must reach the upper or the middle band from the Bollinger Band. So as I was saying, guys, as I was saying, the buyers are pushing the market up. And so you can learn the strategy from the course in the description below. It's crazy and the accuracy is wonderful. From this point, I don't believe that the uptrend will keep going. I believe that some correction, the sellers, yeah, a clear one. This one was beautiful. This one was clearly beautiful. I love this kind of trends. So the next one, as I was saying, the next one is going to be a sell. Why? Because the sellers will try to push the market down. So let's sell $1,500. Just give you a second here. Yeah, so so here from this point, let's push it down. And I trust the sellers because I believe that the next candle will be a red candle, and the market will try to go a little bit down because the sellers are losing, and they will try to push it down, push the market back down. But I don't believe that it will stay down for a longer time, because my prediction is saying that we are living in a small, a 10 or 12 minute uptrend. Yeah. Oh, yep. I hate it when the market creates this long red candle, because I don't believe that it should create long red candles at this point, but because this is a uptrend, because when you see this kind of candles, I get scared because it will become a green candle. All of a sudden will become a green candle. Suddenly you'll see a buys, and I'm opening a sell position. I hope that the color will stay red. Yes, so a win. Beautiful. Now next, it could be a sell, but I will trust the indicators, because RSI is telling me yes. See, so RSI is selling. Let's buy. RSI is saying that I should keep believing the uptrend. So even though two red candles was created, in this case, even with the red candle, I'm a winner. See, even with the red candle, in this case, I'll be winning, because I opened so low, right? And yeah, so as I was saying, guys, this is binary options. I'm trading binary options. I will upload some live sessions trading crypto, or perhaps when I trade in Forex. But for the moment, I love binary options. Yep, beautiful. It's, yeah. Next one, let's see. This one was clear uptrend. Yeah, next one also a higher position. Let's open a higher position. Oh, I made a mistake. I should open a little. The opening price should have been a little bit lower, but that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. I believe that the market will, or the buyers will keep pushing, because the sellers are getting weaker and weaker. And when I say sellers getting weaker, this means that this candle will get greener and greener. All right, so hope it will stay at this level or go a little bit higher at this level. Yes. Yep, that's it. I guess we can quit now, or yeah, why not? Let's see this one. This one was risky. This one was a little bit risky. I hated this one. So I will, or let's open the last one, and I will stop from this point. So I hope that you're learning something. So as I was saying, you can learn the strategy from the course in the description below. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. I'm not guaranteeing you in any ways, guys, that you will make the same results. It's risky. You could lose your money, and you will lose your money if you don't have a good, solid strategy. So keep looking for a good strategy, or develop your own, refine a good strategy also, and hopefully with time you will master one that will make you profit. Great. So this is the last one, I guess. Beautiful. So we just made, I don't know, 10,000 something. That's it. Beautiful. Yep. So the last three or last two, yeah, this one and this one was amazing. Yeah, this one also was clear. But the previous one, yeah, this one is also great. So hope you enjoyed, guys.